Okay, hi guys. Hope you all are doing good. Today is World Mental Health Day. So I just thought, my mental health counselor from my childhood is this person, my mom. So I'm gonna ask a few questions like what she taught me from childhood and what she kept in her mind. That really always held me through my life. Whatever happened, maybe adolescence or teenage or early adulthood. So somewhere whatever she taught me always helped me. So I know me. So what was that there in your mind while raising a girl child, or no, or what about the mental health that you always had it in your mind?
She should be a respectable person throughout her life,
Okay.
and she should be a strong, self-dependent, and rocking person.
So I am like you. Okay, so what were the challenges that you faced maybe while raising a girl child, or the myths and facts of the society, or how like the mental challenges which as a teen adolescent which I went through. So how you used to do
See, when you born the first day,
huh,
the first time, in the delivery room itself,
huh,
the helper or somebody from medical person,
huh.
she came and showed you,
Okay,
and she said female child.
okay,
But we were wanting female child,
okay,
but that time itself,
huh.
I thought I will make her strong person
Hmm.
and recognizable person.
Okay.
So that time itself I decided.
Guys, I did not know this. For the first time I'm hearing this. Oh, thank you so
Girls
much.
are not never there behind.
Yeah.
They're also
see.
equally. She's also human being.
Uh-huh.
He's also human being.
Yes.
And everywhere they should be treated equally.
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. So, what do you think, Mama? Why people should take care of mental health, especially women? Or I know you are a strong woman raised by Nani, who is again a very strong woman. Like, what would you like to add to women's life? Like, what they should focus on their life, like the self-respect, self-love, self-acceptance. One thing which you would suggest women to take care of themselves,
Self-love.
self-love. So, how do you do that?
I love myself. I don't take anybody's degrading languages or anything. I will make up my mind. I'll talk to myself. I say I'm strong.
Yeah.
I can overcome it.
Yes.
So always I'll be happy. So I decide myself, and I don't take others negative things.
Yeah, absolutely
I
correct.
try to correct others if they are accepting my words. Otherwise, I don't.
That's that's so important. I guess this is what I got in me somewhere. So, Mama, have you ever faced any situation where you had to stand up for yourself?
Yeah.
Hmm.
When I got, I am physiotherapist. You know that.
Hmm.
When I got seat in Tiruchirappalli, away from Chennai, my parents, sorry, not my parents, my father and my brothers, they said no, you cannot go there, and how will you be there alone? You never went alone anywhere. So, but my mother, I got inspiration from my mother. She said, you go and you stand on your legs. Never ever depend on others. It doesn't mean that I should not respect others. You should respect others as well as you should stand on your legs. So that made me to go there.
Yeah, that's this is what has gotten me. It's not just this generation, so it's coming out in generations in my genes. But yes, every human goes through the same thing. But okay, Mama, one quick tip: how to take care of your mental health.
See, meditation.
Yeah.
Meditation. And connect yourself to God and talk to yourself. And every day you plan your life, and it should not affect others. That should be.
Yeah, so the major takeaway is self-care, self-love, self-respect, and take care of yourself. You know, it's very, very important.
Yeah.
And mental health.
Never ever give up in your life.
Yes, never ever give up. It's, you know, no matter what, wherever you are, whatever you are doing in your life, if you're listening to this, you know, women help women to get strong. If you have daughters or sons, raise them in a way that they respect themselves and they respect the other gender as well. So, you know, and also talk about it. It's very, very important. You know, when people get hurt in their hand, you know, they or have a headache, when it's physical, everybody talks about it so easily. But what happens is when it is inside the head, which is more unbearable pain, nobody talks about it. It's very, very important that you speak about it. You know, you'll always find a solution to, you know, it could be your mother, your mother-in-law, your friend, or someone who's helping her up about it. Just go to her, go reach out to those people and just have a great mental health.
And another thing, take a tool, love as a tool. You can change everybody. Everybody. Harsh person will become lovable person.
So okay guys, she's gonna stay with me for quite time with me. So I'm gonna make a lot of videos. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy dieting.